you so much for joining us this morning for fellowship and showing support for this worthy cause.
Every voice and sing till earth and heaven ring, ring with the harmonies of liberty.
And philosophers have shared the thought that those who do not learn their history are destined to repeat it. And knowing that to be true, the people that support the Banneker House have a special place in the heart of all of us.
Keep your lamps trimmed and burning, the time is drawing nigh.
And because of their donation to land to the school, which we sold, we're in a position to get these projects completed.
That the ordinary can be made extraordinary. And that's what you all have done here with the Banneker School. You've taken something that most of the public will find to be very ordinary and made it extraordinary to preserve that for our future generations.
So thank all of you. It is a united effort. It is a community effort. And by community, I mean anybody who hears about this.